all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.